Well, we're always looking for ways to get beautiful skin. While many of us have heard of laser resurfacing, most of us aren't really sure how the procedure works or the look of the final outcome. So today, Dr. Kristen Kenny joins me from Premier Aesthetic and Laser Center to shed a little light, so to speak, on that topic. Hi, Kristen. Thank you for joining me again.
Thanks for having me back.
And I know we're talking about these laser technology, and you say this is a way for women to really get glowing skin. And it's not something as it was maybe years and years ago, where you are out of commission for weeks when you do it.
Right. Today I was going to talk a little about broadband light. This is a laser that simply uses light. Unlike the laser we showed last week on the show, which is considered an ablative laser, where you do have a couple days downtime, redness of the skin, the broadband light is just light. And so we use different filters to target different areas of the skin. So I can target browns and get rid of brown spots, freckles, age spots.
Really? With just beams of light?
Just beams of light. It targets the melanin in the skin. It also can target redness. So for people who have rosacea or little blood vessels, some people get the little dots of red as they get older.
Yes, yes, I have those.
And the light, I can change the light so it only targets reds in that case. So it's actually a very interesting technology. It's the same laser. You just switch out different filters and target different areas of the skin.
Well, if you're only using light, then I wouldn't think there would be any pain to this.
Well, unfortunately, there's a tiny bit. It actually feels kind of like the snapping of a rubber band when it hits its target. It is definitely not painful. Most people kind of come in and then they walk away, saying it just feels warm.
And I know what we're seeing here now is an example of something else that you do.
Yes, this is actually the same laser, but here it is called skin tight. And we are actually targeting the collagen down in the deeper layers of the skin.
That is a huge difference in this woman.
It is, and most people actually see results instantaneous. Now, the long-term results you see about 2 months out. But this is the exact same laser, and they are just feeling a warmth in the skin when I'm doing it. And it basically targets the collagen to re-stimulate.
Well, how does this work? I mean, how does light rejuvenate collagen?
Well, it actually causes it to kind of, the thermal, it's hard to say. The thermal energy targets that deep collagen and kind of denatures it, so the body basically has to heal itself. And in healing itself, our body stimulates collagen. It's the same way as if you cut your skin, your collagen stimulated to re-heal the skin.
So is it safe because what you're doing is making your body think that something has happened?
Yes, it is safe, and it's actually permanent, which is the other nice part, because it's not like in a couple of months this is going to go away. Your collagen has actually been re-stimulated.
So you don't have to keep doing this procedure?
No, you need to do maybe 2 treatments for the skin tightening, but yeah, and then over time, obviously, our skin loses its elasticity, so you may do it again years down the road.
Wow. Okay, so you're talking about, this is the same, I don't know if this is the same woman, this is the same procedure.
Yes.
Is that the area that you use it most on, is on the jaw?
Yes, you use it a lot on the jaw, but actually people come in, have it done on their face, their hands, their abdomen.
How would it improve your face?
Well, for just around here where people start to get jowl lines, it can definitely just tighten that skin.
Really? Oh my gosh, that's pretty amazing with just light.
Yes.
And so now these are, I think, probably a different type, not the tighten, but...
No, that's not a tightening. That's actually for acne scarring. So that's more of the profractional treatment, which is a little bit like what we talked about last week. It's more of an ablative kind of resurfacing.
Now, this laser light that you talked about taking off red spots and brown spots, and we were talking about this earlier because it's a tendency on some women after they've had sun to have some of these spots.
Yes.
But how long does it take once you zap them for it to heal? And is there a mark afterwards? I mean, do you have to take yourself out of commission if you don't want to walk outside and people go, what happened to you?
Not at all. That's the great thing about BBL. There's really no downtime. You get a little darkening of the spots, but then they basically just kind of flake off over time as you kind of are washing your face or just, doing your normal daily routine.
Wow, that is amazing. And we just had the phone number up there, and I want you to tell me a little bit about an upcoming seminar that you all have.
Yes, I'm going to be talking and kind of just educating on aging skin and what happens as you lose the elasticity, and then talking from everything from skincare to just lasers and what you can do to kind of reverse that process of aging.
So lasers are after you've had some of that aging. But there are ways I know that you'll be able to tell folks how they can prevent some of this as well.
Yes, and that's even just a good skincare line can really prevent some of those.
And when is the seminar?
December 10th, and it's going to be 6 to 8 at our office.
That's wonderful. Thank you. I'm still amazed at what the light can do, and the fact that there's no downtime, that's an extra added bonus. Thanks, Kristen. Good to see you.
Thank you.